Well, it was my first time here, and I think it was amazing. The way the setup, the welcoming first, the setup. I think the class was very balanced because of all the recipes, and also all the ingredients that they use, and the combination and the way they talk to everybody else about the way they do it, the way you have to taste it. We're talking about the wine foam with the crumble, and also, I mean, with all the products. I think it's the first time, and I encourage you to come back next year. I think next year will be way better, I'm sure.